Good morning. How are you? Yeah, we're gonna drink tea first and then go to school. Okay? Good morning to you. My hair look cray. I still haven't got to wash my hair. But that's okay. I'll do it whenever I have the strength to do it. You guys, those are the new curtains that we got, the white ones. We've been wanting these white curtains to go here for a while, and we finally got it. So let me show you kind of what it looks like now. Yay, it looks really cute. So that way we don't have to pull the green and the orange one apart anymore. They can just stay there. But yeah, my nugget is off to school, big boy's off to school, and baby's off to work, and I'm home. I've been resting all morning. I didn't really have much organizing to do in the house because I did that over the weekend and it stayed that way. The house is so fresh and clean and feel really good, so I don't really have much to do. I just finished deep cleaning the oven. It took like 3 hours. It's just the mode to put it on and clean it, and the smell kind of made me feel really terrible, so I had to lock myself in the bedroom until the oven was finished cleaning. Did I say stove? The oven, I mean. The oven finished cleaning, the pregnancy brain. So that's done. And I just set some laundry for baby girl. I'm still washing, y'all. I'm still washing clothes. This is the last that I have to wash for now. So that's going on. And all I'm gonna do is just vacuum this entire floor just to make all the little dust go away. And this is the new vacuum that we got. I am super in love with it. It's easy to use. It moves around so quickly without the cord when you charge it. Let me show you guys the bedside table that we got. We got this bedside table from my side. since we only have space for one table, I mean for this size we only got one, but then we got a set of these square things. I think 4 of them came in the set. So one is there with babe book and a little candle in there, which is super cute, and one is gonna go in baby girl's room to put her camera on, and then the other 2 I think I'm gonna put them in the living room somewhere. Have figure it out where, but as of right now, yeah, that's what's up right now. There really much to do. Let me give you guys a glimpse of baby girl room. Tour is coming soon, so you guys have to stay tuned for that. Yeah, everywhere is clean. Tally room's clean. Baby girl room remains fresh and all that. So I'm just gonna vacuum this floor. Let me show you guys her. There she is. And I don't know if you mamas are like me, but whenever I'm pregnant, I don't want no clothes over the stomach when I'm home. I just let it all out, especially when it's summertime and we're having really good weather outside right now. So who needs clothes when you're home? So I'm just gonna vacuum this place and continue on with my day. I have a few things I want to get done, but I won't do too much today. As I've been mentioning lately, I've been getting really tired. It's like my body feels that I'm approaching the end. I'm at the finish line. I'm heading there. Just a few more weeks to go and we'll be done. So I'm taking it easy and just cruise controlling right now. So let's get this vacuum done and then see what else I'm gonna do next. You guys, look who is home early from work today. Babe, this doesn't happen. This doesn't happen. So I'm excited that he's home early. You said morning to the fave.
Afternoon to the fave.
Afternoon
to the fave. Hi guys.
Can't see you. The lighting is terrible.
The lighting is terrible, but it's still me. It's not even 5 p.m. I'm home from early.
Miracle.
So I'll go get tired tonight.
Miracle. And I'm here resting. I feel terrible. I feel so terrible. Nausea is killing me today. It's one of those days where baby girl is having nothing. Nothing. You guys, my little party's home. My little party's home.
Nuggets. Nuggets.
My little talkie is home.
My little.
And we have mail. So of course he's excited to take them out.
I came from school.
Yeah, where?
How was school?
It's fine.
It's fine. What you did at school? You wanna tell the face?
No, when I'm 4-year-old.
You tell them when you're 4 years old?
Yeah.
Alright, you guys have a little wait. Alright, ready to see what's in the mail and who it's from?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go.
Oh.
Ooh.
You know who it comes from?
Yes, I know who it's from. This outfit is from our Amazon registry, and it's coming from the wonderful
What is
Miss
the name?
Patsy Presley. Auntie Patsy Presley.
Auntie Patsy Presley.
And she got this from our registry. I saw this outfit on our registry and I was in love. I saw this outfit on Amazon and I was in love with it, so I decided to put it on our registry and she purchased it. Alright, that's outfit number 1. Want to see what's in the other one? Take it out. Hey. Yes, this one wasn't on our registry, but I got a screenshot of it so I know who it's from. This one is coming from Auntie Shanique. Can you take it out so we can see? Oh, there's a headband.
It's a headband.
Yes, so that's the headband. So cute.
Mama,
And that's the little...
hungry.
You soon get dinner, pumpkin. And that's a little onesie dress. Okay, one more is beside you.
Already open.
Take it out. Ooh. This is also coming from Shanique. And it's a little dodo.
For baby sister.
For baby sister.
Is it just
The
like
elephant.
mine?
It's similar to yours, yep. So she have 2 dodos now. She can choose whichever one she wants to attach to. So thank you, Shanique, and thank you, Auntie Patsy Presley. We love the goodies. What do you say? What are you supposed to say?
Excuse me.
No, say thank you.
Thank you.
Alright, you guys.
Thank
Cute
you.
outfits. Let me show them the dodo.
It's a little baby elephant.
There you go. So cute. Okay guys, I wanted to show you what the outcome of the steamed chicken is like before I go ahead and share dinner. So we are gonna eat. Stella already eating. It's yummy, Ty.
Yeah.
Okay. What you doing?
I'm playing with my bicycle.
Okay.
I can't see it.
They can see you though.
The note that him is up police. Look at him.
Oh.
He have a police outfit. See, Mama, he have a police outfit. I see. I'm working hard. I make money. So, me good gypsy and look at this guy. What a gift. Hi. He's so pretty. He's a Batman. Okay? He's a Batman. So, he's a police and he's a Batman. He's a police and he's a Batman. And me go to a little bit more and then go to bed, okay? And ketchup and pop and we could see you it's when next week. You're going to see me playing and next week you're going to see me thing with the kitchen and Papa to then you go and car and truck and ketchup and pop and with your gasolita and I'm going to tell my mom to okay the camera. But bye. Mama? Mama? Yes. I finished talking to Faves.
Okay, I'm coming. Look at Papa and tell me what Mama gonna do right now. What Mama gonna do?
Cut Papa here.
Yeah, I'm gonna cut Papa. You're gonna make Papa look handsome.
And then mine.
No, not yours, not today. And next time. You love play too much. And next day, Mama cut yours. Okay, you're already handsome, but Papa need to be handsome. Fix that lip. Anyways, my client is waiting. Alright, sit, let me go cut Papa hair. Before. Cut all this hair. Alright, let's do this. While I'm resting, babe's doing bedtime with Ty. So he just did his bath and I think he's doing book. I'm sneaking in there to see what they're doing.
Non. Oui, ça c'est une baleine. Tu connais d'autres? Ça s'appelle les manchots.
Les manchots, c'est quoi ça?
Ça c'est une otarie.
C'est quoi ça?
Ça c'est une méduse.
C'est quoi ça?
Ça c'est encore des manchots.
Et c'est quoi ça?
Ça c'est
Hey.
des poissons des glaces. Des
They're
poissons
not even
de
paying me any
toutes formes
mind.
bravent les courants de l'océan.
He's enjoying his book time.
Des ronds.
I'm having the worst headache in life. And of course, I'm tired. Pregnant mom life. Baby girl is here. She here. So I'm just resting up while baby's finishing up bedtime with time. Fresh today. The after look. Fresh. You look like a model. You're feeling yourself. Love your haircut. I always like playing in your hair when it's freshly cut because it just feels smooth and nice.
Tell me why you don't cut it every day.
Because I don't want to play in your hair every day. Now, why would you want me to play in your hair every day?
Alright guys, here was the Jamaican expression.
The Jamaican expression for today is Hag say, at the first dirty water me catch me wash. It's the first I heard this Jamaican expression. I was going through Instagram and saw it. I was like, oh yeah, alright. Hag say, at the first dirty water me catch me wash.
Hag say, at the first dirty water
Me catch me wash. You know who is a hag?
No,
A pig.
a pig.
Right. So we call a pig hog.
Okay. Oh, okay.
Right. So it simply means make use of the first opportunity that you get. Don't pass it up just because. Take it and humble until.
Okay.
Make use of the first opportunity you get.
Okay.
Obviously, the first dirty water me catch me wash.
Okay.
You get it?
I get it.
Alright, what's the French expression?
The French expression is something that we hear a lot at school. Is la parole est d'argent, mais le silence est d'or.
Okay.
The teacher used to say that when he wants you to stop talking or when you want the silent.
Mm-hmm.
You say the talk, the speaking is silver, worth silver, but the silent is gold, worth gold.
That sounds familiar.
I don't know if you have something
It
similar,
sounds familiar.
but yeah, they used to say that when you want the silent.
La parole.
Parole
Parole. La parole
est d'argent,
est d'argent,
mais le silence est d'or.
mais le silence est d'or.
Right.
Alright, you guys. There you have the French and the Jamaican expression of today.
You get it?
Make sure you get it. And I still haven't got around to wash my hair.
You didn't do that today?
Oh, you would know. You'd smell the coconut freshness, that yellow smell in my hair. But yeah, these days, you guys, sorry for
You're gonna
all
lock
this.
them soon.
Sorry for all this, but you guys will be getting this in, I guess, all the vlogs coming up, because your girl is just heading to the finish line slowly but surely. I'm just hanging on, but y'all just pray for me, y'all. Anyway, you guys, she's here kicking. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new. Tyler is off to bed. We love you guys, and we'll see you guys in tomorrow's vlog.